Hey there, welcome to Things Simplified. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Ever wonder how one of the most impactful financial disasters, the 2008 financial crisis, occurred? It's a story of dominoes falling, and today, we're going to explore just how those dominoes were set up and how they tumbled down. Now, imagine a world where everyone can buy a home, regardless of their income. Sounds great, right? That was the American dream in the early 2000s. Banks, wanting to cash in on this dream, began giving out loans to anyone and everyone, the practice known as subprime lending. Some of these folks, unfortunately, were not financially stable enough to pay these loans back. But why would banks do this, you ask? Well, they believed that the house prices would always go up, so even if someone couldn't pay, they could just sell the house and still make a profit. But then, something unexpected happened. The housing market bubble burst. House prices started to fall. Suddenly, those who couldn't pay their loans were stuck with homes worth less than they owed. This was the first domino to fall. Banks realized they wouldn't be getting their money back from these loans, but that wasn't the only problem. They had packaged these loans into complex financial products called mortgage-backed securities, which were then sold to investors around the world. This seemed like a brilliant idea when house prices were rising, but now, these securities were as valuable as monopoly money. This was the second domino to fall. Investors, realizing the mortgage-backed securities they bought were worthless, started losing confidence in the banking system. Major financial institutions like Lehman Brothers, who were heavily invested in these securities, found themselves in hot water. Lehman Brothers declared bankruptcy, causing panic in the financial markets. This was the third domino to fall. The crisis was now full-blown. Banks were reluctant to lend money, even to each other, causing a credit crunch. Businesses couldn't get the funds they needed to operate, leading to layoffs and an increase in unemployment. The economy went into a deep recession, affecting not just the US, but the entire world. This was the last domino to fall. As we sign off today, let's hope the lessons learned from the domino effect of 2008 continue to guide us. After all, the future of our economy depends on our ability to learn from the past. Thank you for joining us on this journey back in time, and until next time, stay curious, stay vigilant, and keep asking questions.